Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to show you the June Birchbox. If you are not familiar with Birchbox, it is a monthly subscription. In this subscription you will get primarily samples, but there are some full-size items. The samples will be anywhere from single-use packets to deluxe sizes to travel sizes, and then like I said, some full-size items. You do get to customize your box, so you will get a choice pick each month. Totally forgot what I picked in this one, so we'll both be surprised. It is $20 a month. It does go down a little bit per month if you want to prepay for 3 months or 6 months or a year at a time. I do the month to month, so I pay $20 a month for my box. Let's check and see what's in this box. So the box will be, it'll have a little flyer. There's not usually the information for what's in the box on the flyer, so we shall see. I don't think there's much information that is going to be in here for our products that we got, but there is still information that's nice on here. And there are going to be some coupons if you want to, or discount codes if you want to purchase these items on the Birchbox website. They have been building up their store products for a while. Everything was out of stock or coming soon. My very favorite hair product that I get, I did actually recently order from Amazon because I kept waiting for them to have it and they never did. They have it, but it was showing as available soon or coming soon, so I didn't get it. But it is the Beauty Protect. It's called Beauty Protector, and it's a detangler heat protector product. So I use it after I wash and condition my hair. When I get out of the shower, I spray it in. I ordered it from Amazon, so I do have my full size. It did cost me more than I think it will cost ordering it directly from Birchbox. It is now available from Birchbox for $23. I'm not quite sure if there's going to be shipping or what else involved with that, but I know I paid like $26 or $7 with Amazon, so I'm excited that I now can get it from Birchbox directly when I run out. So let's check and see what our first item is from our Birchbox. The first item is the Bumble and Bumble. This is a illuminated blonde tone enhancer leave-in spray. So I picked this because I do use a purple shampoo sometimes, and this is going to be, you can see it's got a little bit of a purple tint. So if you don't want to use the purple shampoo, which can dry your hair out, you can use this. It's a leave-in conditioner with the purple tones to it, so that's a really cool option. Next two items I'm going to show you together. This is the Verb Ghost shampoo and conditioner. It is color safe, weightless cleanser. The conditioner is a protect and detangle system, so these are really great. Verb is a great hair product. I recommend them, and I'm glad I picked these. My next one is a Pure, and this is the fully charged mascara. It is cellophane wrapped, and I am not going to open it now until I need it, but I do like Pure mascaras. The fully charged one I have used before, and I do really like it. They do make your lashes look really full and pretty, so I'm glad I got this. My last item, honestly, I picked because there wasn't any other good options in the category. This is a nail polish, and I've been getting my nails done, so I don't do my own polish. Even when I do, I have a gel kit I ordered from Temu, so I don't use a regular polish almost ever. I did think this one would be pretty as a toe polish. I do use regular polish on my toenails, so I thought that would be a fun color, just a minty green. And ooh, it stinks. This is a smelly nail polish. I just opened it to show you the color, and wow, it's got a strong odor. So that is a really, really pretty color, but this, I don't know if it's this brand or what's going on with that, but wow, it smells. So we did get 5 samples. One of the things with Birchbox is if you choose a full-size item, you will get 1 less product in your box. So if I choose all sample sizes, I'll get 5 items. If I choose a full-size item, I will only get 4. So I typically will lean towards the deluxe size samples to get more things in my box and more variety and more things to try. So I'm glad I got these. These are all going to be good ones. These are all things I will use and I will enjoy. So $20, that gives us $5 an item. I guarantee you this is a $3 nail polish. I'm pretty sure they sell this brand at Walmart, but the samples, you get to try really nice brands. The Verb is a great one, the Pure, so, and of course Bumble and Bumble. So you get to try good quality items, to have a little bit of it, to see how you like it without spending $30 or $40 on the full size. So for me, this is a win. I like it. They are doing better on their products and their boxes. They do usually have some squiggles in the package to kind of keep stuff from banging around quite as much, and that is definitely not in this box. But I think they still did a good job on this one. One of the reasons, and I've said this before, that I keep it as a month to month is I am leaving myself the opportunity to cancel this if I don't feel like it's worth the $20. The subscription I compare this most closely to is an Ipsy subscription. With Ipsy, you get 5 samples, sometimes full-size items, but still 5 items, 5 or more, and you get a bag, and it's $3 or $4 less per bag than this box is for the same amount of items, and you get a cute bag. So they are still not on par with Ipsy for the price. Still would prefer Ipsy over this box, but it is still a decent subscription for a decent price, and they don't charge shipping, so it's eh. We do get good products, but for the money, this is still eh. So we'll keep trying it for a few more months and see how it goes. This one may, like I said before, may end up on the cutting room floor as far as the subscription boxes I get every month. May not continue this one, but I'll keep it another few months still, and we'll see maybe by the end of summer how it goes. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And for now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth and Boxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.